Want to add a screen lock on your Apple Watch for extra security? It's super easy, and you can set up a passcode to protect your data. Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to add a screen lock to your Apple Watch. So let's get started. First, grab your Apple Watch. Enter your current passcode. Go to the app screen. Turn on the Settings app. Now scroll down. Find the passcode. Tap on it. Now tap Turn Passcode On. Enter your new password, and then re-enter the same password. Your password will now be added. This is how you can add a screen lock to your Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.